Oh, wish you were here. Alright, this is by Pink Floyd. The first thing you want to make sure you're doing is that you're putting your two little fingers, as I like to call them, your pinky and your ring finger, on the third fret of the high E and B strings. And you're going to leave them there for this whole intro. Then you take your two finger and you put it on the third fret of the big E, and you play that once. Then you're going to play an open A string, and you're going to hammer on to the second fret of that string with the first finger. A hammer-on is basically where you're playing with your fretting hand, as opposed to picking with your strumming hand. So, and then you have an open D, and then you're picking a second fret of the D. So all of that together. And then you're going to strum down, down, up, down on the highest sounding four strings. Then you have an open G string, second fret of the D, open D, and then you're strumming those bottom four strings again, or the highest sounding four strings. And you're just playing down, down, up, because the next down starts that first riff over again. And then you have that second riff again, and then you come back to one. Then your next riff is the second fret of the D string, open D string, second fret of the A string, open A string, down, down, up, and then you have that first riff again, down, down, up, and then that's third riff again, down, down, up, and then your last riff of the intro is the open D string, and then you're going to hammer on to from the open A to the second fret of the A string, and then open A, and then third fret on the big E, and then you're going to strum down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Putting all that together, it sounds like this.